dances with the stars and high. From Nairobi she can touch the sky. Princess of YouTube, she's on the run.
Take you on a cruise if you're down. I might put an ass on snooze if you're down. Maybe we could break the rules if you're down. Just let me know, yeah, if you're down. Love you 'cause I'm showing up.
Hey guys, welcome to another vlog. So apparently I've been doing fridge hunting. Yeah, so I've been looking for a fridge for the past, I think for the past 2-3 weeks, almost a month. But finally I got what I've been wanting, and so we'll be going to pick it up, but we are going to unbox it together, you know, the restocking and all that, you get it? Yeah, so see you there. Hey guys, welcome to another vlog, another exciting vlog. So today, as you can see, so guys, here is our fridge finally. So we're gonna unbox it together, okay? Yeah, and we're gonna lift the box up. I don't know if I have the energy up, it's not heavy. Yeah, so I'm gonna lift the box up. I'm trying to find a way I can get out this box.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like
Finally! Hey! So guys, let me try to place it on this side. I want to see the inside. Oh, it's right here. So guys, this is the freezer. Is it the freezer part or what? So this is how it looks, and it's a bit spacious. Yeah. You have seen it. Then you have this part. Okay. And that's how it looks. This one is for regulating the temperatures. You see? And the bulb is in there. It can be seen there. Yeah, you see this one. This one is for regulating the temperature. The temperature that you want, yes. Done ready today. Yeah, so this one you can put maybe your tomatoes and all that. Guys, this is it. That is it. Please keep it up. I'll be locking my fridge. Yeah, that's it guys.
our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher. The night's young, it has just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. Now the morning is the afternoon. We lay awake in bed, the laugh so loud as the hours pass. We're gonna do it all again. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be, we're gonna be two hearts running wild.
Hey guys, good morning. How are you doing? Welcome to another vlog. So guys, on this vlog I shall be hosting, okay? So I'm expecting some visitors, and so I had to wake up early so that I can prepare the food. So actually yesterday at night I prepared some chapatis here because I couldn't be able to do that in the morning, you know. So let me show you. So guys, these are the chapatis that I prepared. Okay, yeah, my hands are clean. Okay, so yeah, I couldn't be able to do this in the morning, so I did it at night. And then I have this, I want to prepare this minji's, but it's frozen, so I want to dip it in hot water. And I also have this meat, it was in the freezer, so I need to defroze. Yeah, so we're going to cook together. So here is hot water. I hope it will fit. Yeah, and then I'm gonna put the meat afterwards because it can't fit all of it.
Like you bless me with all your love. I can't hold up, we can never go down. All the way up from here, that's what I want. If they try to put you down, I shoot. They can never wear the same shoes. They don't match up, it's their loss if you down. I can take you on a cruise if you down. I might put her ass on snooze if you down. Maybe we could break the rules if you down. Just let me know if you down. We gon' win all the awards, cause if you down. Big couple goals if you down. When I touch down, we go down if you down. Just let me know, yeah. Know I make minimum wage, but when it's time I got something to say. I be praying everything go my way, and if it does, I'll buy you a ring. Yeah, all I want, all I need, yeah. You hold me down, yeah. Know I make minimum wage, but when it's time I got something to say. I be praying everything go my way, and if it does, I'll buy you a ring. Yeah, all I want, all I need, yeah. Hold me down, hold me down, hold me down. Cause if you down, I can take you on the cruise if you down. I might put that ass on snooze if you down. Maybe we could break the rules if you down. Let me know, cause if you down, we gon' win all the awards if you down. We couple goals if you down. When I touch down, we go down if you down. Just let me know if you down. I can take you on a cruise if you down. I might put that ass on snooze if you down. Maybe we could break the rules if you down. Just let me know if you down. We gon' win all the awards if you down. Couple goals if you down. When I touch down, we go down if you down. Just let me know.
Hi guys, welcome.
How is the food?
The food is so yummy.
It's yummy.
Yeah, yummy.
But the young one is not eating.
Nikushoot.
No problem.
Yes.
Say hi.
Hi, hello. We are
But I'm not
eating.
shooting Shadi.
Why?
She just refused to eat.
Who's refusing to eat?
Shadi, eat, baby.
Can
Shadi.
you eat? I know. I.
Give him water.
This is a water.
Hey guys, yo. Imagine it's 1:50. I don't know if I look sleepy. My eyebrows look bad. I need to do something. Anyway, it's 1:50 a.m. I'm doing some editing. Let me tell you, if there is something hectic, it's editing a video. Imagine almost 2 a.m. I'm not asleep. I'm just here. I'm on a live stream listening to Nate's. You see, she likes eating. Nate acha nikuanike. Yeah, so I'm here. And I don't know if you can't. No, this make me that fun. I think this one can show it very well. You see, it's 1:51 a.m. I'll show you what I'm doing. Yeah, so guys, this is it. You see this video? This is what we are doing. Guys, being a content creator, it's not easy. Huh? Don't think that you just shoot a video and boom, you just upload it. It needs a lot of work, a lot of dedication. I mean, a lot of stuff, but we have to do this. We got this. Huh? Yeah. So let me finish with my editing. Yeah. Oops. So guys, we are finally done with the editing, and hey, imagine I've been editing the whole night. The whole night I've been editing. The last time I was at Nate's live stream, now I'm at Maria's live stream. She's there eating. You see? Yeah. So those have been keeping me busy, and I'm editing here. And yeah, we are done. Guys, imagine the time. Hi. It's 6:22 a.m. Imagine. You know, guys, I think I'm gonna end my vlog there. I'm tired. I'm super tired. Today I was not sleepy. That's why I chose to do editing. Yeah, so my vlog will end there. I'll see you in my next vlog. And subscribe, guys. You see what we go through to give you content. Subscribe to the channel. Let me show you the time here. So guys, you see the time? 6:23. That's the time. Yeah, so see you there, guys. See you on my next vlog.